Welcome to a stunning 4 BHK plus extra room apartment in Oberoi Springs, Andheri. Step inside and you're greeted by a grand living and dining area, perfect for entertaining guests or simply unwinding in style. Expansive windows bathe the room in natural light, offering breathtaking city views. With premium flooring and high ceilings, this space exudes a sense of openness and luxury. The 4 lavish bedrooms offer the perfect blend of privacy and tranquility. Here we're having a look at the first master bedroom. This master suite is a retreat of its own, featuring a walk-in wardrobe, an ensuite bathroom, a balcony overlooking the amenities area, and ample space to create your own personal haven. The dedicated walk-in wardrobe is a dream for those who appreciate organization and style. Designed with ample shelving, hanging space, and elegant storage solutions, it ensures that your wardrobe is not just functional but also an experience. The attached ensuite bathroom is complete with premium fittings and a vanity area. The second bedroom is equally inviting, perfect as a secondary master or a luxurious suite. With large windows, ample space, and a designated dry area, this room is both stylish and functional. It has a west open and amenities view with an ensuite bathroom, which is just too cute to be real. It also has a separate AC ducting area attached within. With large windows that invite natural light, these rooms offer a serene ambiance, making them perfect for restful nights. The third bedroom offers versatility and comfort, and it also has a southwest open view. It is ideal for children or even extended family. This third bedroom also has an attached washroom. Now we go towards the fourth bedroom. While this may not have an ensuite washroom, it does have easy access to the common one and offers something truly special. A dedicated walk-in wardrobe space while also having the uninterrupted view of the stunning Mumbai city skyline. This expansive walk-in wardrobe space is truly a dream come true. With custom shelving and built-in drawers, it ensures that your wardrobe is perfectly organized at all times and displayed in style. This room is a seamless blend of luxury. The home also features a modern spacious kitchen with a designated space for a breakfast table as well. Designed for efficiency and ease with ample counter space and provisions for high-end appliances, this place is where culinary creativity meets everyday convenience. Beyond the 4 bedrooms, there is an extra room as you enter the apartment, waiting to be transformed to suit your lifestyle. Whether it's a home office, a cozy corner, a hobby room, or a calm meditation space, this room is going to be your personal haven. Located in the heart of Andheri, this apartment offers seamless connectivity to business hubs, fine dining, entertainment zones, and top schools. DM us to know more.